Hello, darlings. I am Cassandra. Welcome to my channel, Authentic Beauty Handmade Dolls and Crafts. In this video, I'm so excited. We're going to talk about the rose quartz. This is one of my favorite stones. This gemstone is known to it's an anti-aging stone. It stops wrinkles. It helps you to radiate like your inner love glow out to the world. But you know what? It has a lot of myth around it. Do you know that according to legend, Cupid actually gave love to humans in the form of a rose quartz? And people say, like ancient people, the rumor is that Aphrodite tried to save her lover Adonis' life, and she bled over this stone, and that is what gave it this beautiful pink color, and that is how it acquired the reputation of being the love stone. This stone is not just good for attracting love, but for enhancing self-forgiveness. Like if you are a person and you're grieving, or you've gone through a breakup, or you don't know how to love yourself, forgive yourself, this is the rose quartz is the perfect stone for that. But it's also a stone for self-esteem, self-worth. And whenever I work with anybody who is looking for a mate, or who's looking to attract love, I always tell them to carry a rose quartz, because the first person that you have to learn how to love and truly accept 100% and forgive is yourself. So you go through the whole process of self-healing in order to attract a healthy and loving relationship with your mate. So this is just an overall really good stone. I think I said it before. I use rose quartz in my the cream that I put on my face. I always bless my gemstone, and I put it in my face cream. I put it in the conditioner that I use for my hair, for my body, and my Vaseline for my body. I use this, and I also like rub my face like this with it. Oh, it smells so good. I'm in my mid-50s, and I feel like I don't want to say that this stone is, but I really feel like it radiates so, like it just keeps you radiant and youthful. This stone is good for the heart chakra. You know, I usually 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna have a rose quartz right here in the middle of my cleavage, so that it can resonate and keep my heart chakra balanced. So if you're looking for an anti-aging stone, a stone to prevent wrinkles, a stone to radiate youth, if you are looking for self-love, forgiveness, if you're looking to attract love in your life, this stone is the perfect stone for another use of this rose quartz. Oh my God, do you know that in just about every single doll I make, I always add a rose quartz as well, because it's the stone of love, and I want to radiate love. And I even say that I hope that every person who sees this doll's life is saturated in love. So anyway, this is a really beautiful stone. I know there is a doll inside of you who is just dying to come to life, but only you can breathe life into her. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.